Well, the scheme also allows for that. It allows you to plan up to December 31st to contemplate, to raise the necessary money which may be required to pay your tax dues, and it makes sure that it makes no demand of interest right up till next year, right? So we have taken care to see that supposing you owe the government a lot of money, you can plan ahead, you can raise the money and come clean. So I think government is sensitive. We appreciate there are difficult times, and I think repeatedly when the minister interacts with senior officers, he also emphasizes this. He says you must talk to your assessees, they are your clients. You must understand their difficulties. And today I assure you from this place that this is going to be the attitude of all the officers in this zone as well. I have met with them for an hour before I have come here. And the point that was raised by Mr. Thirumalai about the acceptance of the declaration within 7 days has been emphasized by me. We have issued internal instructions to ensure that there is an acknowledgement of this declaration. I can assure you that even if it's not being e-filed, the data is being computerized, it's being manually fed. So if you have any apprehensions that some of your declarations may go missing, you can forget about it. They are being diarized. No paper is received in any commissionerate without it being diarized. So even if you think that there is no record of it, there is a record of it. I assure you that all senior officers are present here. They will make sure that there is an acknowledgement issued to each and every person who comes up and files a VCS declaration in the prescribed format. I'm sure you've read the prescribed format. It very clearly says that you're making a truthful declaration. I think this book that we launched on the 8th of August has everything that you would need to know about the VCS. It has the legislative provisions, it has the rules, and it has what are called the FAQs. Some of the points that have been raised before me again by Mr. Thirumalai, I'd like to just clarify that at this point of time it would be difficult for us to extend the scheme beyond what is already in the scheme. It must be appreciated that I cannot amend any of the legislative provisions at this point of time until the next budget, and by then it's going to be too late for us to make changes in the scheme. We are fully aware that what we wanted to do was people against whom there are tax dues and we are not aware of them. If there are people who owe the money to the government and we are aware of it and we've issued show cause notices, there cannot be any earthly reason for us to start overlooking what is due from them. If you are familiar with earlier voluntary disclosure schemes, there have been very, very serious criticisms on issues which we have tried to guard against when we envisaged and drafted this scheme. So if you ask for an amendment to the scheme at this stage, I'll be very honest with you, it may not be possible for us to amend the scheme. As far as the SENVAT credit admissibility goes, it will have to be governed by the SENVAT credit rules. If there are issues which you feel lack clarity, yes, we can make clarifications, but I cannot go beyond the scope of the legislative provisions as far as the service tax VCS is concerned and as far as the SENVAT credit rules. The SENVAT credit rules will apply except to the extent that we have restricted that you cannot pay from the SENVAT credit scheme. That's the only restriction that we have placed. Other than that, the admissibility of credit will be governed by the SENVAT credit rules as they stand today. So I think at least some of the issues which have been raised before me, I think I have addressed. We will ensure that you have an acknowledgement within 7 days. No way that you will not get it. If you don't get it, you're welcome to make a complaint or send us a letter. We will make sure that you get an acknowledgement. Having said this, I would like to utilize this time that we have today on addressing certain issues which I can address immediately. If there are issues which I can take back with me, which we need to clarify, getting some legal vetting, I'd like to take that back with me.